as you can see in the video, this is all the shuhada in that earthquake like 3 weeks before. No one knows who are they. They just bring them and they bury them here, and they took their DNA test, and you can see on those sticks there is a number 163, 162. It's number wise. So whoever come and they claim we lost, so they take their relatives' DNA and match with their DNA, and they recognize who are they. You can see is more than 300. Is more than 3,000 shuhada over here and on this side also, all the way there. So please make dua for them, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make easy for them, inshallah.